Okay, friends, today we are going to learn how to count to 100 by tens. We're going to practice groups of 10. Right here on my board, I have the numbers 1 through 10 here. And I have cubes to quantify or for how many each number represents. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then here we get to the 10. Do you see a difference between the number 10 and the rest of these numbers? The number 10 has two numbers. That means it's different. It's a group of 10. Numbers 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0 are all ones. So friends, for this activity, you'll need some dimes. The dimes are the smallest coin. This is how they look on the front and back. A dime. A dime is 10 cents, or a group of 10 in one coin. And you'll need pennies. So you'll need about 10 dimes, and you'll need at least 9 pennies. These are what pennies. Pennies are 1 cent. So pennies are going to represent our ones. Now here I have a chart for you, friends. This chart tells us about groups of 10. One group of 10, see I have 10 cubes. One group of 10 equals 10. If I have two groups of 10, 2 then equals 20. If I have 3 groups of 10, then I have 30. If I have 4 groups of 10, then I have 40. 5 groups of 10 give me 50. 6 groups of 10, what do you think? Give me 60. 7 groups of 10 give me 70. 8 groups of 10 give me 80. 9 groups of 10 give me 90. And 10 groups of 10 give us 100. So friends, let's see if we can count groups of 10s and 1s. Okay, friends, now let's get back to our cubes. Miss Breton has cubes, and you're going to use your pennies and your dimes. Remember, your dimes equal 10 cents, so dimes are one group of 10. A group of 10 is one dime. 2 dimes are 2 groups of 10, or 20. 3 dimes are 3 groups of 10, or 10, 20, 30. So your dimes will represent your groups of 10, and your pennies will represent ones. So I have all the way 1 through 10. Now let's see how we can make groups of 10 using ones. This is 9. 9 plus 1 more will give us a group of 10. So 9 plus 1 gives us another group of 10. Now right here I have 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many more do I need to give me a group of 10? 8 plus 1, 2 more will give me a group of 10. Wow, 8 plus 2 gives me a group of 10. Now what about 7? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ones. How many more ones do I need to give me a group of 10? 7, 8, 9, 10. I need 3 more. So I'll get 3. 3 plus 7 will give me a group of 10. Wow, we're building a lot of group of 10s. Now here I have 6 cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's get our wands. We need 6 wands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many more wands do we need to get a group of 10? We have 6, so we need 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We need 4 more. 4 plus 6 wands will give us a group of 10. Look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome. So now we only are left with a group of 5. 5 plus how many? How many more cubes do we need to add to a group of 5 to get us a set of 1? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got 5 wands. How many more do we need to get a group of 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 plus 5 more will give us another group of 10. Wow, friends. Okay, friends, here we go. I want you to get your mom or dad or someone to write this on a paper for you. Or you can use your dry erase board like I'm using. We're going to write all of our numbers that go in the ones right here. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So these 10 numbers all have one number. Numbers 10 through the numbers 99 all have 2 numbers in them. From 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, all the way to number 99, they have 2 numbers. 2 numbers represents tens. If you only have 1 number, then we write you in the ones. So remember, our dimes are tens because they're 10 cents, and our pennies will represent ones because they only are 1 cent. So we are going to break down tens so we can understand how many they are. So when we write the number 10, how many groups of 10 is the number 10? Remember? 1 group of 10 equals 10. So for the number 10, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 1 group of 10. How many wands are there? I have 1 group of 10. How many wands do I have? Do you see any wands? Nope. So that number is represented by 0. So the number 10 is 1 10 and 0 ones. But what if I have one group of 10 and 1 1? Then my number changes. I still have one group of 10, but now I have an extra 1. So I have one group of 10 and 1 1. What number is that? 11. So 10 and 1 is 11. What if I have 1 10 and 2 1s? If I have 1 10 and 2 1s. So you need 1 dime because you have one group of 10, but 2 1s, 2 pennies. How many do I have? 10, 11, 12. The number 12. So a group of 10, one group of 10 and 2 1s give me 12. Well, what if I have one group of 10 and 5 1s? I wonder how many is that? I still only have one group of 10, but now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1s. How many is that? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 1 10 and 5 1s. Well, let's do something a little bit different. What if we have more than 1 10? Ooh, tricky, tricky. Let's go with 2 groups of 10. Now, how many did we say 2 groups of 10 were? 2 groups of 10 equal 20. So 2 groups of 10 equal 20. So how many dimes will I need? Because 1 dime is 10. We need 1 10, 2 10. So we need 2 dimes. 2 groups of 10 is 20. You want to count them and see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. See? 2 groups of 10 will give you 20. So what if we have 2 10s? And how many 1s should we use, friend? Give me a big number. Ooh, 7. 7 1s. So we got to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's take an extra 1 off. So we have 7 1s. So how many pennies are we going to need to count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pennies. So how many 1s do we have? 7 1s. And how many 10s do we have? 2. So what number are we going to get when we add our 2 groups of 10 with our 7 1s? 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. So 2 groups of 10, 2 10s plus 7 1s give us 27. Whoa! What about if we had 3 10s? We're going to need 10, 20, 30. We'll need 3 dimes or 3 groups of 10. So what if we have 3 groups of 10 again? 10, 20, 30. 10, 20, 30. 3 groups of 10. Remember? 3 groups of 10 give us 30. So we need, how many 10s do we have? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to write the 3 in the tens place because that's how many I have. Now, what number are we going to use for the ones place? How about if we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones. Remember, pennies are 1 cent, so they represent ones. We have 6, so we're going to write the 6 in our ones place to see what we'll get when we add 3 10s with 6 ones. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. So 3 10s plus 6 ones gives us 36. Ms. Bratton, what if we have a lot of 10s? Ooh, friends. Ms. Bratton doesn't have a lot of dimes, but I hope you got 10 dimes so that you can count your groups of 10 easier. I'm going to use my cubes for my groups of 10. Let's see if we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups of 10. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 10s. So what number do we need to write in the tens place? How many 10s do we have? 5. So we got 5 10s. How many ones should we use? 1, 2, 3, 4, or 4 ones. We're going to write the number 4 in the ones place because we only have 4 ones. Now, what number did we have now? 5 10s plus 4 ones. Let's count together. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Now we only have ones left. 51, 52, 53, 54. We have 54. 5 10s plus 4 ones give us 54. Okay, friends, we'll do just a couple of more, and then I'm going to allow you to do your own combinations of 10s plus 1s. So we did 5 groups of 10. Let's go higher. 6 groups of 10. 7 groups of 10. 8 groups of 10. Whoa. 8. I have 8 groups of 10. Remember, 8 groups of 10 equal 80. 80. So if I have 8 groups of 10, I have 8 10s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going to write the number 8 in the tens place. How many ones should I add? Let's go big. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's very close to 10, but it's not quite a group of 10. It needs one more to be 10, so it's still in the ones place. So how many ones do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we're going to write 9 ones. We have 9 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 groups of 10 and 9 ones. I wonder what number do we have? Let's count. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Now we have to put them with the ones. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89. 89. 8 tens with 9 leftover ones give us 89. So you're going to need 8 dimes to give you 8 groups of 10 and 9 pennies for 9 ones. But Miss Bratton, what do you do when you get 10 groups of 10? Friends, when you get to 10 groups of 10, our numbers change. See, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and 90 have 2 numbers. But when I get down to 10 groups of 10, there's 1, 2, 3 digits in this number. Let's explore what happens when we get 10 groups of 10. So this is where you'll need to have 10 dimes. I only have 3 groups of 10, so you'll need to find 10 dimes if you have them. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10 groups of 10. Do I have any ones? Nope. I have 0 ones. I have 10 even groups of 10. 0 ones. I have 10 groups of 10. 10 groups of 10. Now I have 1, 2, 3 digits to my number. 0 ones. And this changes. Now instead of 10 tens, I have 100. I have 100 now. So I have 100. 1 in the hundreds place. 0 tens and 0 ones. What if I have 100 and 3 extra tens? 100, 10, 20, 30, 3 tens, and let's say 2 ones. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 100, and 1, 2, 3 tens. So 100, 10, 120, 130. Now we're going to the ones. 131, 132. So 10 tens gives us 100. Then I had 3 extra tens left over. So they gave me 30. And then I had 2 ones. They gave me 2. 132. Friends, I hope you enjoyed this lesson on learning our tens and ones all the way to 100. Happy counting!